Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. If you're hearing whining noise or whirring noise coming from your automatic transmission, that could be a sign that your front pump is failing. The reason why your transmission is making that whining noise or whirring noise is because inside the front pump, there are two gears, and the two gears meshes together. And when these two gears start to wear out, it'll start making that whining or whirring noise. So I'm going to show you guys how the two gears look like. And again, when these two gears are worn out, the transmission front pump cannot move transmission fluid around inside the transmission. And when it cannot move transmission fluid inside the transmission, this can cause all sorts of issues. So this is how the gears look like inside the front pump. So again, when transmission fluid goes between the two gears, it will create a suction effect, and that is how transmission fluid is moved around inside the transmission. When the front pump is failing, this will cause a decrease in pressure, and this can affect the valve body operation. It can affect the clutch and band operation, and it can also affect the shift solenoid. So if the check engine light is on and you're getting codes for a bad shift solenoid and you notice all sorts of transmission issue or performance issue, that could be a sign that the front pump is failing. Another sign that you know that the transmission front pump is failing is going to be overheating. When the two gears are completely worn out, it cannot push fluid fast enough inside the transmission. And again, this can cause the transmission to overheat. When the transmission starts to overheat, this can cause the check engine light and the transmission light to turn on. If you notice transmission fluid is leaking between the engine and the transmission, that could mean that the front pump seal is worn. Also, keep in mind that the torque converter seal can also cause a transmission fluid leak. Regardless, you still have to remove the torque converter to get to the front pump, so you might as well check both seals. If your vehicle is stuck in limp mode and you can't go faster than 35 miles per hour, or it is stuck in second gear, there could be a chance that the transmission front pump might be the issue. So make sure you check the transmission front pump for leaks. Make sure the transmission front pump is operating properly. Of course, this is going to require removing the transmission from the engine to inspect it. So again, if your transmission is making that whining or whirring noise, make sure to stop driving and make sure to have that front pump replaced. You can actually save your whole entire transmission, and all you have to do is just buy that parts and replace it. And changing it is not really that difficult if you're quite handy. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.